Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna talk about the AI Commentator task, and I'm gonna give a quick intro how to participate on that competition. So we can see here that the main goal of the AI Commentator task is to give real-time commentary to the games. So it's important the short-term prediction on AI soccer matches. So why it's important? First of all, it's difficult because it's a multimodal AI task, so you need to get the image and the game data and turn this into a text, natural language processing output. So if you run the video here, we can see a demonstration of the AI commentator. So see that we need to provide real-time commentary, and this can be really hard to achieve. So if you want to participate in this task, what should you do? You should go here. You can click here, but I already opened. So you can come to the how to participate page. Here you're gonna find a sign up button. We're gonna follow that structure. So we come here to the sign up. Here you can choose participant. So click here. And you should provide your data here. Participant, ID, your password, your team name, affiliation, if you're going to participate in the poster presentation, the number of team members, and other information about your team. You're going to attend the event that's going to be held in Kais, August 20 to 22. So you finish this and click sign up. Then you're ready to participate in the competition. Coming back to the how to participate, here you can get all this info also to register as participant or spectator if you're going to participate in the poster or workshop. Then you go back to the fun part again, that is to download the simulator and program your code. So click here in simulation details, and it's going to open the GitHub page for the simulator. The best thing for you to do is to read this carefully, but for the AI World Cup simulation program, you need the WebBots Robot Simulator. You can download it in the Cyberbotics webpage, already open here, so cyberbotics.com download. You can choose if you use Windows or Mac or Linux, so you can download your WebBots. It should be the ART 2018A revised 1 version for the simulator to work, so be careful about the version that you download. After that, you can come back here and download the simulator. So to download the simulator, the easiest way is to download on the release web page. So we can go to release here or here. You see that there are five releases. You come here to the release page and you click to download the version 0.5 of the simulator. So click here, download the version 0.5. I already downloaded, so here. So you can see that I downloaded here, and this is the folder where my test work is. So here we get the examples, our Word files that are gonna be important for us soon. Keeping here in the AI World Cup GitHub page, in the wiki, you can find the game rules here. You have more instructions on how to install and how to use the simulator. It's good for you to see that. But here I have the game rules, so you should check that before you organize and develop your code. For us, what we're gonna do right now is that we downloaded already and checked it here in our page, and we downloaded the WebBot Simulator also that looks like this. Let me open the simulator here. gonna be looking something like this. So if you want to open the Word, we should click in File, Open Word. Then I downloaded in my desktop in this folder. So I'm coming here, Password, World, and I'm going to open the AI World Cup World. It's gonna take a little bit to load. Yeah, it's loaded. You see that it's loaded here. I'm gonna minimize for a bit because I want to go back to the folder. If you're going to participate in the AI commentator, the first thing you need to get this config file and open here. You see that here you can control the game time, the falls, the program for the teams, and here's the commentator part. So we're gonna use for this example the commentator program that comes with the simulator. It's located in the examples folder. You can see here. Examples, commentator, skeleton.py, and the program is here. So we're gonna put this program right here. It's examples, commentator, skeleton, Python, commentator, skeleton.py. I'm gonna save. You're gonna see that if you run this right now, you're gonna see the comments in this part of the screen. Let's run. Started, and you see this is the first comment that the game has begun. And let's hope that some action happens. So we're gonna see more comments during this tutorial. Let's see if we see some goal for a bit right now. Let's see. No. So you can see that the comments are gonna appear here. So if you want to modify the code, the example code, I'm gonna show you something that we can do. After stop, we need to refresh always when using Webbots. So now we're gonna come here to our commentator skeleton. Here is the program that the simulator provides the example code for the commentator. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna set a comment for every time that the robot for the red team, number 0, touch the ball. I already did the part of the code that we need to add here. So we're gonna put, and so this like the robot from the red team, that's my team, 0, number 0, when he touch the ball, we're gonna set a comment like player 0 touched the ball, and we're gonna save it. So we're gonna go to the simulator again, and we're gonna play again, and we're gonna hope that the player 0 touches on the ball a lot. So yeah, he touched it again. You can see here that when he touched the ball, you set a comment. You see that he's touching the ball a lot. However, in a real commentator, we do not want to show comments every time players touch the ball. So, as a final example, I'll revise the code to make the commentator catch the moment where robot 0 touched the ball for the first time, and then deliver it to the spectator. To our commentator skeleton that I already showed. The first thing, we should create a string that we're gonna call last comment, and we're gonna put in the init variables function, and after that we're gonna come here, this position, and we're gonna copy this part of the code. So in this code we get if the robot 0 touches the ball. So if it's true, we're going to compare with our last comment. If our last comment is already like the same, player 0 touched the ball for the first time, we're not going to output anything, but it is the first time, we should display that in the screen. So we're going to save that, and we're going to run our simulation again. So now just wheeling, oh, he touched the ball. So you see that it appears here as a comment the moment that he first touched the ball. So you can use the example provided to develop your own code. The final goal of the commentator is to develop a network that could analyze this image here that you receive, and with the game data that you also receive from the simulator. And with this data, analyze the sequence of the last frames and try to predict what is the best comment to display next. So this is what we want for the participants to achieve with this task. I hope that everyone is motivated enough to participate, to create your algorithms. So we wait you all at the AI World Cup 2018.